If your Captain headset mic suddenly stopped working, don't panic, because in most cases, it's just a small setting or connection issue. And today, I'll walk you through the fastest, easiest fixes that work almost every time. Let's start with the most common cause, the mic connection. If your Captain headset uses a detachable microphone, pull it out and plug it back in firmly. Sometimes it feels connected, but it's not fully seated. Also, check if there's a mute switch on the headset. Press it once and listen for the mic on prompt. You'd be surprised how often the mute button causes the whole problem. Next, let's make sure your computer is actually using the right microphone. On Windows, right-click your speaker icon, open the sound settings, and go to the recording tab. Find your Captain headset microphone, right-click it, and set it as your default device. This step alone fixes the issue for a lot of users. Now, you need to check microphone permissions. Go to Settings, Privacy, and then Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on for your system and for the apps you're using. If permissions are blocked, your mic won't work anywhere, no matter how good the headset is. After applying these changes, unplug the headset, reconnect it, and test the mic using the voice recorder app or any communication tool like Discord or Zoom. If you're still not hearing anything, try switching USB ports or audio jacks. Some ports simply don't deliver enough power or randomly fail. And while you're at it, check Device Manager for audio driver update dates. Outdated or corrupted drivers can also stop your mic from getting detected. Most Captain headset mic issues are solved by these steps. But if none of them work, there's a chance the microphone itself is faulty. In that case, contacting the manufacturer for a replacement is the best move. Hopefully this guide helped you get your mic working again. If it did, feel free to check out more quick fix tutorials like this, and thanks for watching.